So Faizan asked this really good question, which is, hey Karan, how do you use your personal branding to grow your digital marketing agency, and how has it helped you in growing the marketing notes? That's a really good question, Faizan. To begin with, I do not look at myself as a personal brand or an influencer. I look at myself as the messenger, as the storyteller, as the communicator for my company, for my agency, because I believe people relate to people trust people, right? When I invest in the stock, I look at the management, and based on who's at the management, who's in the management, who are the board of directors, I'm more inclined to invest or not invest in the stock. And just like that, I am the messenger for my agency, which is the Marketing Notes. And when we talk about branding, we are basically talking about the way the marketplace identifies with you. So I come out and represent the Marketing Notes, trying to communicate to the world that, hey, there's no one like us out there. That's the first thing I try and drive home to the marketplace. There is no one like us out there. And I know this may sound a little arrogant, this may sound a little pompous, but that's what I believe in, that there's nobody out there like us. And when I, as Karan Dharamsi, you may call it the personal brand, am communicating with the world and talking to the marketplace, I am always trying to drive home these 3 or 4 points through the stories I tell to the marketplace. One, there's nobody like us. And I know it may sound a little arrogant, it may sound pompous, but I genuinely, with all humility, believe that there's nobody like us. I've always been somebody who believes in going deep, right from my days in the fitness industry, when I joined the fitness industry to work as a personal trainer. Now, when I was working as a personal trainer, there were other trainers who were getting paid 6,000, I was getting paid 6,000. But I went really, really deep. Apart from an engineering background, I studied nutrition science, I studied anatomy, I studied kinesiology. Of course, all trainers need to do that, right? But I went crazy deep. And to the point, in just a few months, everybody in the gym knew I was really, really talented. And that's why one of the members in the gym, and back then he also became my friend, Tabish, reached out to Fatima Sana Sheikh and told her that, you know what, you should stop training at the gym you're training at, and you should come to this gym and train with the guy who trains at my gym. His name is Karan Dharamsi. He's super duper smart. And the reason she came and trained with me and she hired me as her personal trainer was because, I went really, really deep in the subject. And I was working for 4 odd months, and I completely transformed how the gym operated, how the members thought about exercise science, nutrition science. Right? So I've always been somebody who doesn't like to be an armchair expert, and I like to go deep. And that's what I have done when I started an agency. I started my agency 6-7 years after working as a freelancer, after running my own companies, seeing what's working in my company, and I had a lot of companies that failed, so I spent a lot of my money. I got real first-hand data of what works, what doesn't work. And then when I started my agency, all that data, all that experience about starting a business, running a business really, really came in handy in helping my clients grow big time. Even up to this point, a lot of our B2B clients, thanks to my ideas of them writing a book or starting YouTube videos when it wasn't a norm in their industry, did implement my suggestions and are still leveraging the benefits of those videos and books with clients coming from different territories, right? So when clients come in and work with us, it's not just the marketing services, but it's also my insights, my ideas. And a lot of times I also get into the psychological aspects, because there are clients who come in who want to grow, but then psychologically there are things that hold them back, and then I play the role of a counselor. And I have been a student of psychology because I had to understand how the human mind functions to help my clients lose weight and now help my clients get the results. So you see, what I bring to the table is completely out of this world, and there's no competition, there's no other player that does that. So in a nutshell, yes, me being out there representing my company, being the voice of the Marketing Nerds, helps and has helped the Marketing Nerds grow tremendously. Just think of it like Elon Musk. I am never going to buy a Tesla, or I would have never even thought about buying a Tesla had it not been for Elon Musk. Elon, being the face of the company, makes the product really, really desirable. Maybe if it was some other CEO that I had not known of, I may not have really thought about buying a Tesla. But now buying a Tesla whenever it comes to India full-fledgedly is on my mind, and that's because of Elon. I have that affinity towards Elon, and that's what makes the product more desirable. Of course, that's just the first part of it. Me being the communicator, me being the storyteller for my company is just the first part of it, and the most important part being having a great product, right? If you do not deliver great services, I would not have clients coming back, staying back for years after years and working with us. To answer your question in a nutshell, me being the communicator, the storyteller for the company, has helped the company grow by leaps and bounds. And I truly believe that any company out there needs to have an individual, the founder or somebody in the company, become the storyteller and the communicator for the company, and that could help the company grow big time. But I would like to end it with this: whoever represents the company, you need to have a clear message, a clear storyline, the clear value proposition that you want to drive home to the marketplace. For us, it's been really clear. When you come to us, it's all about thinking big, expanding the vision, not fighting with the existing norms in your marketplace. Those are the things that you get when you come to the table and work with us. Well, I hope that I was able to answer your question, Faizan. All the best.